Welcome back to Product Zone. Quick review after 1 week using this, cutting my kids here. I gotta tell you, very good professional quality. Very strong, lightweight. Charges really fast. It charges about within 3 hours. It lasts about 240 minutes of runtime. Right here, it's your power. It tells you how much life source of the battery left. It'll tell you 80. If you need oil or you need to wash, they have the logo will pop up. Kind of high tech. And what I write here, you could adjust the level, cut in low all the way down, or you could be cutting higher. And what comes in this box right here, we have a nice long charger right here, USB, and then we have a nice brush for cleaning your machine when done. What I love about this company, they send a bottle filled with oil. Always remember to oil your machine. Keep it good, keep it clean. Then it also comes with this piece right here to put around whoever you're cutting, so all the hairs will trap on that, which is really nice. You don't have to buy that separate. And then you got all different type of size of the combs, the clips right here. So you could go from 1 inch to all the way up to 5 inch, I believe, right here. There you go. So you could do a lot of good fading, a good haircut, lines up, whatever you want to do on your hair, beard, trim. It's really good quality overall. And you could hang it up right there with this handle right there. You could hang it up right now wherever you finish. But my favorite part is the indication of the battery, and the oil tells you right here. That's what I love about it. So some machine don't have this, and then you'll cut, and during your haircut your machine die, and then you have like a halfway haircut, which is no good. So this right here got really good review on Amazon. There's a lot of people bought this machine, and after testing it out, I'm telling you, it's a good machine. And as I checked on Amazon, there's not a lot of people that return this machine. There was very good positive review, and my review overall, it's definitely worth it. Really good professional clipper right here. You can see that. Oh, look right here, tells you the water if you needs to wash or rinse, or it tells you need to plug it in and stuff like that. So that's a good thing about it. I love it. And it's a LED digital light. It's stainless steel. It's low noise for kids, heavy duty motor. It's a really good, man.